Welcome to Foxy. Today, let's talk about how to care for your watches. Many people will ask, why is my watch not keeping time accurate or stopping? This is likely because your watch is not receiving regular maintenance, especially the mechanical one need regular upkeep. Wearing the watch over time will cause the lubrication inside the movement to dry up, affecting the genes and leading to the inaccurate timekeeping. So if you notice your mechanical watch running erratically after a few years of use, how should you maintain it? First, it's recommended to have a comprehensive maintenance check every year, which including cleaning the movement, adding the lubrication, adjusting the time. Secondly, avoid placing your watch near the strong magnetic fields, such as those from phones, computers, and speakers. Proper use and maintenance are key to extending the life of your watch. Regular professional servicing and storing your watch in a dry environment when not in use will help a lot. To learn more about watches, make sure follow us.